Welcome everyone, my name is Stef and welcome to this video about crypto market overview, where we will overview the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and I'll give my thoughts. And this is not a financial advice. I'll do my think and analyze the trend, and you make your own decision based on your research. So let's go. First, Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin on the daily. Bitcoin on the daily, we are currently in a clear downtrend. As you can see, lower highs, lower lows. So you want to see this break line being broken for bullish continuation, then a higher low, and then we can say that the bull market continues. Right now it's in a clear falling wedge pattern, which is considered bullish, but there is no clear evidence that the pattern is valid, because we haven't broken the major supply line, which is this upper line. So Bitcoin currently has a very low volatility with the MACD bullish crossover and a high volume, which was here. And that's if you go in every high volume, you can see that was the upper and the lower part of making a bottom and a top. So yeah, currently Bitcoin is neutral with some bullish concentration. You have this low and then probably a higher low. So currently we have also this hidden bullish divergence, but it's not confirmed. So also on the 2-week we close below this resistance. So yeah, everything is bearish right now and the dollar is pumping. So let's see what will be the next 2 weeks. Your support line is 42k, then your next support line is 36k. So also we can say that this on the 3-day, you can see this is called on Elliott wave running flat. So a running flat, if you don't know, it's an uptrend correction. So you have 3 lines, 3 corrections, and this is an A, this is a B, and for the C wave we need 5 waves. So as you can see, this is probably 1, 2, 3, some 4, then probably 5, and the maximum pain of this is 36k, but I don't know, we will see the next week. And that's how I think the Bitcoin will continue, probably making a lower high from here. And if we take 58,000, then the probability that this scenario will happen will be lower. But right now there is some unfortunate news that the chart is bearish, and that's because the dollar is rising, and you can see the DXY index is in a clear uptrend. So yeah, if this comes here, then yeah, probability will be going higher, but right now it's at resistance. And but you can see we have this massive hidden bearish divergence, and probably somewhere, let's see where it is, 0.618. So probability is that if you want to see the dollar losing value and you want to see it close below 4.261. Let's go on Ethereum. So Bitcoin is the main power and it's the Jupiter of crypto. So you should see the bullish scenario is to close on the 2-week above 48,000. Ethereum, so Ethereum is the same thing. We closed below this 2-week. No, we didn't close. Or we close, let's see, close 39,000. Okay, this is close. So I don't know about Ethereum. So probabilities that we come here, chop. Where is that? Pet. Okay. So probability is that we chop here, then go higher. I don't know. And yeah, the Ethereum chart is much more promising than Bitcoin. We have higher lows, and let's see on the 3-day we have something. So we have this hidden bullish divergence, but not yet confirmed. So for this you need to close above 39.20, and then we can say that there is probability of alt season, and you want to see this falling bull flag, falling wedge, however you want, equal highs, equal lows. And the probability next is that we're gonna visit this range 43.50, and that's how you see it. Let's see the total coin market cap, coin total. Okay, let's see total on the 1 month. So currently the total market cap is at support. On the monthly, similar chart like Bitcoin. If you go on the Bitcoin chart, you can see it's very similar. Let's say move the drawings. So you don't want to close Bitcoin below 47,000 on the monthly. We have 11 days, and the total market is the same thing. So bullish if Bitcoin closes above 48,000 on the monthly chart. Bearish if it closes below that. We can range and can go lower. So basically let's see on the daily. On the daily you want a close above this 47. Then we can see some relief there. Really, right now current support is this 44 on the daily, 45, 44. So I don't know, the possibility is range here, then do a flush and then go higher. I don't know. It's a very confusing price action. If you don't know what to do, just wait and see. But many are bearish, and I'm bullish if Bitcoin doesn't close below here, below 39,500. And the best scenario, if you go to BLX, brand new coin index, on the 12-month chart, and as you can see, we have like 6 year. Can go from here to 6 year of doing nothing, and then expansion. So I see this fractal. Where is that? Pat ghost pattern, Barter. So probability is something like this to happen, then continuing higher. So pessimistic view, 2 years bear market or sideways range, depends on where we close. So if we close here, the probability is to doing something like this for 2 years, then continue higher. And from macro perspective, you want to see high low from yearly. So the probability that here you don't want to close the price below 28,000, 29,000. So if I'm a bull, you want to see on the yearly chart not a close below 29,000. So that's how I think about the Bitcoin and Ethereum market. Currently bearish, and the quarterly is not very great. This candle is not very nice. It's called shooting star, so take it for what it is. Based on probabilities, we will range here. So we have this quarterly at 43,800. So yeah, you don't want to close below that. If it closes, then you have probability to go here, then go here. And that's that. That's how I see the crypto markets. Q1 probably will be sideways, Q2 probably some bullish action, I don't know. And yeah, that's how I see the crypto markets. And thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.